अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आई होप कि आप सब खैर वाफियत से होंगे। आज हम लोग क्लास 9 के कंप्यूटर साइंस के शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे। गिव शॉर्ट आंसर्स टू द फॉलोइंग शॉर्ट रिस्पॉन्स क्वेश्चंस। Question number 1 is, what is the function and significance of Napier's bone in early computing? Answer: Invention of Napier's bones. Napier's bones were invented by Johann Napier in the 17th century to simplify multiplication and division. This is the first heading. Function: the rods displayed multiples of numbers, allowing user to perform complex calculations quickly and accurately. Third heading is significance. Napier's bones helped simplify arithmetic operations and introduced logarithms, advanced mathematical calculations. They influenced the development of later calculating machines, contributing to modern computing. Question number 2. How did Charles Babbage difference engine differ from the analytical engine? Let's move to the answer. This is the table. You can take a screenshot of it. There are many headings. You can write only 3 headings. Question number 3. What is the primary goal of 5th generation computers? Answer: the primary focus of 5th generation computers is to develop and utilize AI artificial intelligence technologies. This involves machines called robots with the capability to learn, think, innovate, reason, and solve problems automatically and independently. 5th generation computers support advanced parallel processing capabilities, allowing them to execute multiple tasks simultaneously and handle complex computations more efficiently. A key aspect of 5th generation computing is the ability to understand and respond to human languages. This involves developing systems capable of NLP, natural language processing, and communication. Question number 4 is, name the 3 types of memory mentioned on the motherboard in the non-Neumann architecture. 3 types of memory in the non-Neumann architecture. So these are the three memories: primary memory, RAM; temporary storage that holds data and instruction currently being processed; secondary memory, hard drive, SSD, permanent storage used to save data and programs for long-term use. Cache memory is very important. It can also be given in your exam as a separate short question. A small, fast memory located close to the processor that stores frequently used data to speed up processing. Question number 5 is, differentiate between volatile and non-volatile memory. So, data retention speed, examples, and usage. Volatile memory loses data when the power is turned off. Non-volatile memory retains data even when the power is turned off. Speed: faster, providing quick access to data, slower compared to the volatile memory. Examples: RAM, cache memory; non-volatile memory, ROM, hard drives, and SSDs. Usage: used for temporary storage and active processing, used for long-term data storage. Question number 6. Show memory hierarchy with the help of diagram. This is the diagram: level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. CPU, cache, main memory, magnetic disk, magnetic tape, optical disk. Question number 7 is, what is the word size of a processor important? Why is the word size of a processor important? And how does it affect the computer's performance? This is the answer. You can write it. So there are 4 headings: data handling, performance, memory addressing, and complexity. Take the screenshot of this question. So if you like this video, so please like and share it with your friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe.